Uncle Angel is not doing his job.
No.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoomies are forever. My zoomies all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming over there. I'm zooming over here now. And then I'm everywhere. Zoom, 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 I see you.
Hele, ty nechceš jít domů nebo co? Čilíko, čilík.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for...
Look at my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh,
Oh my god! No!
Really? Really? Do you mind?
und gleich ergeben.
Bro, what? Really?
Hey! You want her to play with you so bad.
Did you get it?
Okay.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. all ideas slide right off like a water slide. Smooth brain.
You enjoying your yak cheese on your Sunday morning? Yeah, it's just sticking out your mouth.
Oh! Oh my god.
I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
What do you want? A chocolate. You want what? A chocolate. Oh, you poor thing.
واقعك ماما تخبي ايش
Where are you going?
I don't give a goddamn how famous I am or whatever. It don't matter to me because I'm about dead anyway, so what I give a shit.
Did I find your spot?
Hey, did you do that? Was it you? What's the problem? What's wrong? What?
Dog hat, diggity dog. Nice.
Oh my gosh. Ozzy, are you alright, buddy?
She has walked around the tree and I'm trying to walk around to untangle it, but she just keeps following me. So now we're just walking in circles. fifth, you stop.
Was born next to a nuclear power plant, has an IQ of 2, and got hit in the head with several rocks as a child. But boy, can this guy play basketball.
I get it.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Spin. Lie down. Sausage roll. Good boy.
Did you eat my full joint? Nope. He just fell again.
Look at your.
I wanna be your vacuum cleaner. Я хочу быть пылесосом.
One more time. Alright, you stop it.
It's 8 hours. 8 hours I have to go to work. That's it. And I'll be back.
Frankie! I think she's scared to death. Oh!
First time at Home Depot. It's very exciting. Oh, good job.
Muito agressivo, perigo para as pessoas, principalmente para crianças.
Huh?
Girl, you crazy.
Say, what you doing, Mama?
Have y'all?
Nice one, Maddox.
I feel like Nancy. Come on, Nancy.
The
bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
No.
Monty, no.
Nope.
Submission.
She's like, oh, look at all these men.
Yeah, that leg
Green
moving.
chocolate men. I like a vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla is here.
Already cost me enough money, sir. Where did you get that?
Remy wants to play with you.
Players have spoken out about this before. Obviously, probably not a coincidence.
Hey. What? What's happening?
Silver pan, you cannot tear it up.
Mama, Callie, don't you f***ing do it. Mama, stand up, go home.
You ready for your hat? Ready for your hat? Is it perfect? That's almost perfect.
Swayze, could you not find anywhere else to lay? Huh, boy?
Down. Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save.
Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Come on, let's go for a walk.
Wowzy. Oh, we just fell over in the sand.
Oh my God! Please, please, please! No, 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 no! Please go back.